Hi, I think I'm going to be way more prepared this year than last year for Halloween. I'm going to be filling out these bags full of treats, and I will have some special bags set aside for kids with food allergies too.